Ready to level up your outdoor cooking? Today I'm breaking down the best portable camping stoves of 2025. Perfect for beach cookouts, mountain adventures, tailgates, and backyard BBQs. Let's get into it. The Coleman Triton Plus 2-burner propane camping stove. A true classic, updated for even better performance. It delivers an impressive 22,000 total BTUs between two fully adjustable burners, giving you precise temperature control, whether you're boiling water, frying bacon, or simmering sauces. The InstaStart push-button ignition means matchless lighting. Just one press and you're ready to cook. Windblock panels on each side adjust to shield flames from gusty winds, while doubling as side shelves for utensils. The cooking surface fits a 12-inch and 10-inch pan side by side, and the chrome-plated grate is removable for easy cleaning. Built tough yet relatively lightweight, it's perfect for beach cookouts, tailgating, backyard BBQs, or multi-day camping trips where reliability matters. The Naturehike 2-burner folding camping stove offers a more minimalist, travel-friendly design without sacrificing functionality. Powered by propane, it offers 16,000 BTUs of cooking power across two independently adjustable burners, giving you flexibility for different cooking speeds and styles. The piezoelectric ignition system provides reliable, quick lighting without batteries or matches. Its folding frame design and included durable carry bag make it highly portable and space-saving, perfect for hikers, car campers, and van lifers. It's also ETL certified, meaning it's passed stringent safety standards, a huge plus when cooking far from home. This stove is ideal for minimalists who want strong performance in a slim, lightweight form. For heavy-duty outdoor chefs, the Camp Chef Mountain Series Everest 2X takes portable cooking to another level. Each of its two burners produces 20,000 BTUs, giving you restaurant-grade searing, boiling, and frying power even at elevation. The 215 square-inch cooking area accommodates large pots and pans, and the rugged stainless steel drip tray makes cleanup quick and painless. Its matchless ignition system ensures a spark every time with just a turn of the knob, and the lid doubles as a 3-sided windscreen for maximum flame protection. Built with durable nickel-coated steel, this stove is heavier than ultra-compact models but still very portable, designed for base camps, group trips, and serious cooks who don't want compromises. Then there's the OGERY 2-burner foldable camping stove with griddle, offering incredible cooking flexibility. It includes a non-stick dual-surface griddle, one side smooth for pancakes and eggs, the other textured for burgers and steaks, sitting atop two full burners. The burners provide independent adjustable heat control and use piezo ignition for quick starts without needing matches. Made of sturdy stainless steel, the stove is highly durable but folds down neatly into a carrying bag for easy transport. This is perfect for tailgaters, campers, or outdoor entertainers who want the option to grill and griddle in one compact setup. If you need to feed a crowd, the 3-burner propane portable camp stove is the ultimate solution. It boasts 3 individually adjustable burners, delivering strong and even flames perfect for multitasking, from boiling pasta to grilling burgers simultaneously. Each burner is shielded by foldable wind guards, maintaining flame stability even in breezy conditions. The stove features push-button instant ignition for fast and reliable lighting, plus a propane regulator for consistent gas pressure and flame control. It's a bit heavier than 2-burner models, but with its larger cooking space and powerful output, it's ideal for family reunions, large group camps, or roadside feasts where big meals matter. And there you have it, the best portable camping stoves for all kinds of outdoor adventures. You'll find all the product links in the description if you're ready to gear up. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more outdoor gear guides, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy cooking and happy camping.